Hello, IS aspirants. You are most welcome on my channel, on my YouTube video channel. In this video, I have come with the 50 questions and answers on the topic of physical geography. This is part 1. This physical geography question answer will be continued. I think you will get benefit from this my videos. In this video, let us start. This video is equally important for UPSC, all exams of UPSC, IS, Uttar Pradesh PCS, Madhya Pradesh PCS, Bihar Public Service Commission, Jharkhand Public Service Commission and SSC, and all other examinations. Let us start. First question: how many time takes by sun's ray to reach Earth? Answer is 8 minutes. Next question: what is the solar system? Answer is the solar system comprises the sun and its 9 planets. But now only 8 planets are included in the solar system. Pluto planet has been excluded from the solar system. Third question: what is the path of planets? All planets revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. Next question: what is the temperature of sun? Answer is the sun has a surface temperature of 66,000 degrees centigrade and increases to 20 million degrees centigrade in the interior. Fifth question: how many times sun is bigger than Earth? Answer is the sun is about 3 lakh times as big as the Earth. Next question: which planet is the smallest? Answer is Mercury is the smallest and closest to the sun and only 36 million miles away. Mercury has only 88 days in a year. Next question: which planet is often considered as Earth's twin? Answer is Venus is often considered as Earth's twin because of their proximity in size, mass, weight and density. Venus is similar to Earth. Next question: which planet has dark patches on its surface? Answer is Mars has dark patches on its surface. Now next question, ninth question: which is the largest planet in the solar system? Answer: Jupiter is the largest planet. It is made up of many gases like hydrogen, helium and methane, and it has circular light and dark bands and also have 12 satellites that circle around it. Its surface is very cold, about minus 130 degrees Celsius. Next question: which planet has 3 rings around it? Answer is Saturn planet has 3 rings and 9 satellites around it. It takes 29.5 years to complete its orbit. Next question: which planet was first seen as a faint bluish green disk through a very powerful telescope? The answer is Uranus. It is 50 times larger than Earth and 15 times as heavy. Next question is which planet orbits around Sun in a clockwise from east to west, unlike other planets with 5 satellites revolving around it. Earth is revolving from west to east, but this planet is orbiting from east to west. The answer is Uranus. Next question: why Earth is called geoid? Because the answer is because it is flattened at both ends like orange. Next question: what is Earth's movement? Answer is the Earth rotates on its axis from west to east once in every 24 hours, causing days and night. It also revolves around the Sun in an orbit once in every 365.25 days, causing seasons and years. In every 4 years, this orbiting days becomes 366. That is called leap year. You must have heard Libya. Next question, what is revolution of Earth around Sun? The answer is 18.5 miles per second or 66,000 miles per hour. Next question, what is the inclination angle of the axis of Earth to the plane of the ecliptic? Answer is at an angle of 66.5 degree, giving rise to different seasons and varying lengths of the day and night. Next question, what happens if the axis of Earth were perpendicular to this plane? Answer is all parts of the globe would have equal days and nights at all times of the year. Next question, which region is popularly known as land of the midnight sun? Answer is in summer, the region is north of Arctic Circle. Next question, on which days the sun is vertically overhead at the equator? Answer is these are usually 21st March and 21st September. Though the date changes because the year is not exactly 365 days. As you know, in every fourth year, 4 year it is leap year. In 1 year 365.25 days, but after 4 years it becomes 66. So this date 21st March and 21st September may be changed. Next question, what is called these 2 days, 21st March and 21st September? What is the name of these days? The answer is equinox, meaning equal nights, because on these 2 days all parts of the world have equal days and equal nights. Next question, what is June or summer solstice? Answer is after the March equinox, the sun appears to move north and is vertically overhead the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, on about 21st June. Summer solstice when the northern hemisphere will have its longest day and shortest night. Next question, what is December or winter solstice? The answer is this happens when the southern hemisphere will have its longest day and shortest night. By about 22nd December, the sun will be observed at Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree south. Next question, how the regions are marked where the sun is never overhead at any time of the year? Answer is such regions are marked by distinct seasonal changes like spring, summer, autumn and winter. The question is the regions where sun is never overhead at any time of the year. Such regions are classified as distinct seasonal changes like spring, summer, autumn and winter. Next question, what is called the brief period between sunrise and full daylight? This is called dawn. Next question, what is called the brief period between sunset and complete darkness? This is called twilight. Next question, what is the reason for sun to take more time to pass through the twilight zone in temperate latitudes than equator? At the equator, the sun rises and sets almost vertically, so the time it takes to pass through the twilight zone will be shorter than for temperate latitudes where the sun rises and sets obliquely. Next question, what is latitude? Latitude is the angular distance of a point on the Earth's surface, measured in the degree from the center of the Earth. Next question, what is parallels of latitude? Answer is the parallel to a line. It is a parallel to a line, the equator, which lies midway between the poles and on a globe or circles, becoming a smaller polewards. Next question, how equator and both poles are represented? Answer is the equator represents 0 degree and the north and south poles are 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Between these points, lines of latitude are drawn at intervals of 1 degree. Next question, what are the most important lines of latitudes? The answer is the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, the Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south, the Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, and the Antarctica Circle, 66.5 degrees south. Next question. What are the linear distance of a degree of latitude of equator at 0 degree, at 45 degree and at poles? The answer is, listen carefully. Due to Earth is slightly flattened at the poles, the linear distance of a degree of latitude at the pole is a little longer than at the equator. So at the equator, it is 68.704 miles. At 45 degree, it is 69.054 miles. And at the poles, it is 69.407 miles. The average of these is taken as 69 miles. Next question. Find out the distance of Bombay from equator if Bombay is at 18.55 degree north. The answer is, this 8.55 degree north will be multiplied by 69 is equal to 1288 miles from 1280 miles from equator. Next question. What is longitude? Longitude is a angular distance measured in degree along the equator east or west of the prime or first meridian. What is meridian? We will know in second question. Next question. Next question. What is meridian? Answer is, on the globe you see longitude is shown as a series of semicircles that run from pole to pole passing through the equator. Such lines are called meridians. Next question. Where the zero meridian is situated? The answer is, the zero meridian is the one which passes through the Royal Astronomical Observatory at Greenwich near London. This is the prime meridian that has 0 degree, from which all other meridians eastwards and westwards up to 180 degree. What is the linear distance of 1 degree of longitude? Earth's circumference is 25,000 miles. For 1 degree, 25,000 miles will be divided by 360 degree, because whole globe is consists of 360 degree. 25,000 will be divided by 360 is equal to 69.4 miles. 1 degree is equal to 69.4 miles. Next question. What is the linear distance of a longitude at equator at 25 degree and 45 degree and 75 degree and at poles? Answer is, it is the longest at the equator, that is 69.172 miles. At 25 degree, it is 62.73 miles. At 45 degree, 49 miles. At 75 degree, 18 miles. At poles, 0 miles. What is the important function of longitude? The function of longitude is, longitude determine local time in relation to GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, referred as world time. The whole world set their watch from this GMT. Next question. How many degrees the earth complete during its revolution in a day? The earth makes one complete revolution of 360 degree in 1 day or 24 hours. It passes through 15 degree in 1 hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Next question. What is the impact of Earth's rotation on time? When the Earth rotates from west to east, one goes eastwards for every 15 degree local time, that is advanced by 1 year. If we go from west to east, local time will be ahead by 1 hour. When one goes westwards, local time is retarded by 1 hour. If we go westward direction, local time will be decreased by 1 hour. The places east of Greenwich see the sun earlier and the gain time, whereas places west of Greenwich see the sun later and lose time. The rotation of the earth around the sun means that at a certain point in time, different places will experience a different time of day. Clear? Next question. What is the local time at Madras having longitude 80 degree east, if London having longitude 0 degree 5 west. Here it is noon. Where? In London it is noon. What is local time Madras? If its longitude 80 degree east. 80 degree east means 75 plus 5. 75 will be divided 15 because 1 degree in 1 hour, 15 degree in 1 hour. It means 75 15 is equal to 5 hours, and 5 degree means 1 degree in 4 minutes. 5 will be multiplied by 4, that is 20 minutes. Total 5 hours and 20 minutes ahead of the London or local time in Madras will be 5.2 5.25 20 p.m. Next question. What is the value of meridian adopted by the Indian government for the standard time? Standard time adopted by the every country for its seeing time by Indian government. 82.5 degree east is adopted by Indian government for standard time, which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Next question. How many standard time zones are for the whole world? How many standard time zones are made for the whole world is divided for how many standard time zones? The whole world, the answer is the whole world is divided in 24 standard time zones, each of which differs from the next by 15 degree in longitude or 1 hour in time. Next question. How many time zones are divided in USA and Canada? Both have 5 time zones. Next question. What is difference between local time of Atlantic and Pacific coast? What is difference between local time of Atlantic and Pacific coast? It is about, answer is about 5 hours. Next question. What is the significance of two sides of 1 degree meridian, that is 180 degree east and 180 degree west? The answer is, if a traveler going eastwards gains time, as you know, if we going eastwards we will ahead from GMT, and if we go westward we will behind GMT in time. The answer is, if a traveler going eastwards gains time from Greenwich until he reaches the meridian, that is 180 degree, when he will be 12 hours ahead of GMT. Similarly, in going westwards, he loses 12 hours when he reaches 180 degree west. There is thus a total difference of 24 hours or a whole day sorry, between the two times of 180 degree meridian. Next question. What is the international date line? The international date line where the date changes by exactly 1 day when it is crossed. Next question. What is perihelion? When a planet is closest to the sun in the path of its orbiting. When the planet is orbiting in its path and it reaches to the close to the sun, that is called perihelion. Next question is aphelion. It is just opposite of perihelion. When a planet is orbiting in its path and is far away from the sun, that is called aphelion. Next question. What is galaxy? Answer is, galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust and billions of stars and their solar systems. A galaxy is held together by gravity. The galaxy, the Milky Way, also has a supermassive black hole in the middle. That's all, dear friend. That's all. Question 50 question answer. I hope you all likes it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and press bell button so that my video can be reached to you first of all. Thank you for watching. Please comments how do you like my video and write on which topic you want to what type of video you want from me. I will try to fulfill your desire. Thank you very much.